Hakini ke Jingialang ledon lang MLA ke Mauplang constituency uba Matthew Beyond Star Kurba bat ki head officer ke Tenat Puli Putih ha ke bak letai sani ki projek ke berang Sahteng jong ki Skul bat college kam tam ha ke bedai bat ke science bat commerce college Mauplang Mahendraganj pathar khama bat Rongjeng. Habai kran bigla patai kubor Rakkam esang mau le thu bakle kran ru alor ke jing Pyntrei ya ke diet ha William Nagar ki polytechnic ha baro ki district untuk ha East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, West Janta Hills, Riboy, West Khasi Hills. Bala bathai ki officer bat ki contractor ban pen state no ke kam ban pendep ki project. Ulang balengba Commission Education ke Sarkar Kalamang Pisa ban Maramot ya palat syajar nreus pak pratli ki skul ha ke bakladan ki district ke belapandap ban Maramot nrei dan pat ki district ke baklampat sedang satya ya ki kam. Udah tu bagi district ke baklampat sedang ya ki kam Maramot ki skul ki kentup ha East Khasi Hills kata ha mau senra Meliam mau plang block. Ha East Janta Hills ha Kleriat block. Ha West Janta Hills pat kedai ha Amlarem block, ha Riboy kedai ha Umsning bat Umling block, bat ha Eastern West Khasi Hills kedai ha Mauthat Raishan block. Ulong bakani ke jing slam kedai namar ke jing penslam ki kontraktor namar ke jing pamyo ajaka. Namar ke jing pambiang ke jing mang pisa, namar ke jing ha kaliang ki technical line bat kiwe-kiwe. Myntri uleh tu ru bagidan lightly ki block baka sarkar hadu menta kampat yo ajaka bantai ki skul EMRS bat na ki lai puprat li ki skul EMRS ka ba ka megalaya kayo kat lai tli ki skul la sedang ban Pyntrei bat na pedang arpulai telipat kladon kandru teli ke badang don hap pedang gajing tap tanda bat ka singi ka bakat do kadai ka arpusan tarik uluber.
We have called this review meeting to review the status, the progress of all the pending project infrastructure across the state, the different districts. So we have reviewed and we have found out that there are some pending projects for last 10-15 years also. So we have to complete the pending project at the end that we have called this review meeting. There are projects like the construction of the Science and Commerce College in Mauplang, the Managans, Patarkama, like Rongjeng College, diet construction in William Nagar, polytechnics, and all the district like being South Garo Hills and Jowai and in the Nongston and Atlaskans and all districts. So we have reviewed at the different states of progress. We have come out and we have instructed and directed our officers and also the implementing agencies to speed up for the completion, for the immediate completion.
What are the reasons for this delay? Is it because of past government?
They are at a different reasons. Some are because of contractor was very slow. Some project was some technical issue was technical issue was there. So we have discussed today. We have reviewed, and there are some planning because of some issue to be addressed at a different level. Some are because of land issue. There are various issues that have been pending because of all this. We will taking up wherever necessary at different stage. There are some projects which are required to be coordinated at the DC level. There are some projects which are to be coordinated at the director level. There are some projects which are coordinated to be at the finance and planning department level. There are some to be intervened by the DC, right, for all this. So there are various projects of different nature, of different kinds.